Hey everyone! In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix NordVPN when it's not working. If you are having connection issues, app crashes, or server problems, this easy-to-follow guide will help you get NordVPN working again. We will walk through how to solve technical issues or connection problems so NordVPN works properly. This way, security, privacy, and access to restricted content stay uninterrupted, and everyone can browse, stream, or work online safely. Let's look at some tips to fix NordVPN. One common reason why NordVPN might not work is an issue with your account. Let's check this together. You need to see if your account has expired, or if your subscription is no longer active. You can find this in the lower left corner of the app. Go to Settings and check your account details there. Make sure your subscription is still active. Another possible reason for problems is the app version. You can also check the app version here and compare it online to see if it is updated. After you update the app, the next thing to check is server issues. Let's look at the servers. Try picking another server, as sometimes servers are under maintenance or being fixed. There are many servers to choose from, or you can use specialty servers, so NordVPN can pick the best one for you. Another reason for NordVPN issues can be your antivirus or firewall. Let's check your antivirus or firewall settings. If you use Windows, you can find this in the lower right corner of your screen. Go to Windows Security, double-click it, and check in your firewall or network settings to see if NordVPN is blocked. If it is, unblock NordVPN or make sure it is allowed. After that, check your internet connection. Go to your router or modem and reset it. After resetting, reconnect to your connections. These are the ways to fix NordVPN. Now you can solve common NordVPN issues. Most problems can be fixed with a few simple steps. Whether it's connection errors, app glitches, or settings changes, take your time and follow these troubleshooting steps. Your VPN should be working again soon. Stay patient and stay secure.